Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to pin recycle bin icon to Windows 11 taskbar. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first of all, in the desktop, right click on new and click on a shortcut. After click on a shortcut, now after doing this step, copy this shortcut command which is available into the video description and click on next button. Now change the name is RecycleBin. Click on finish button. Now after doing this step, right click, go to your properties, and after doing this step, click on a change icon. After that, remove the explorer.exe and type up system32 backslash shell32.dll. After that, click on OK button. Here is a shortcut of RecycleBin. Select it, click on OK button, click on apply and OK button. Now after doing this step, right click, go to your show more options. After that, click on pin to taskbar, click on it. Now here is a pin it. Now here is a RecycleBin. Close it, delete it. Now after doing this step, now you can see that RecycleBin added. Click on, now you can see that. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.